So we're gonna show you how to get out of this slip here. I've got my wheel lined up correctly. I'm a little bit to my port side just to get the boat positioned right. Then straight and back to reverse. And I'm backing out of this slip. And I'm gonna end up heading off to my port on the left side, or as I'm turning backward my right, to back out to this area. If I have too much speed, I'll go back to neutral. I adjust my wheel and put it in gear. Now I'm backing out to this area. If I feel I want to get out there a little more, I might straighten that wheel out, just a little. Continue to get a lot of space backwards because I want to have enough space when I turn this boat to go forward. Now I'm forward gear. I'm going to head out the fairway. We're out of the slip, ready to go. There you go.